jasmine rice right about now. I'm adding one chicken stock cube in there, and I'm just gonna boil this until it cooks. So yes, ma'am. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping up our stuff. This is green onions. So we're gonna chop up some white onions. Here we also have carrots, rice, and peas, green bell peppers, onions, garlic, celery, and yeah, so that's our ingredients. Next, we're gonna scramble eggs. I have 2 eggs here that are scrambled. So, yes, ma'am. We're just gonna push that to the side, and we're gonna add oil. That's veggie oil, and then we're gonna stir fry our veggies that we cut up earlier. So we're just gonna let that cook down a bit. Yes, and then we're gonna bring in the eggs and mix it all together like so. Next, we're gonna push that to the side and add our shrimps and cook them, and then yep, turn them over so the other side cooks like so. I don't really like seafood, so I will not be eating the shrimp. I'll just be eating the rice part of it. So that's what we're doing. So we mixed all of that together, and then we are going to bring in our rice. Yes, sir. This is really easy, really simple. So break it. It's been in the fridge, so it's kind of cold. Do you want to use cold jasmine rice? They said cold rice. I don't know why cold rice is a thing, but cold rice. So you mix that all together, and then soy sauce. So you add your soy sauce, and you're basically done after this. Like if you want to add any other seasoning, I added black pepper and of course salt to taste. The soy sauce is pretty salty, so you don't really need much else. So mix that all together, and there it is, shrimp fried rice. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.